YouTube is a good platform for the people who want to make money through making videos. In only 2021, more than 2 million people got their channels monetized. It means that they are making money through the content they are making. But most of them show their faces to the camera without any hesitation. But what about those who want to get their channels monetized without showing their faces to the camera? Well, we have some ideas through which you can do it, and it does not require your face. Before getting into today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified when we post a new video like this. Make looped videos. Everyone knows what looped videos look like. The good thing about them is that these videos do not require any special face cam or anything. You can just download the clips, loop them, and upload them to YouTube. If you did it right and get good views in exchange, then you are good to go. Well, this is not pretty much it, but you are going right. The main requirement is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. If you achieve this target within a year, then you would get YouTube partnership and you can earn through this. Gaming videos. Many people play games and like to see others playing games. If you are a professional player and do something that others cannot do, you're welcome in this field. You can make good revenue just by playing games. PewDie, the most subscribed YouTuber, started his career with gaming and now he is not less than a brand. We recommend you to record while you play because you can get that content monetized. Just put some background music and do minor editing. That's it. Upload it on YouTube and keep uploading until your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. Keep in mind that you have to use copyright-free music and sound effects because it is the only hurdle you will have to face as far as your content is real. And with time, keep upgrading yourself. Play those games that are in demand and everyone likes to play. If you are playing games that were invented decades ago, then making money from that content will just be a dream. So, make sure you upload latest content with engaging background music. Compilation videos. Don't you like watching funny accidents and fails? People like it too. From their stressed life, when they find something funny and enjoying, they get stick to it and the uploaders get benefited. Most of you don't know that it's one of the difficult niches present out there, but still you can make money without showing your face. If you are good at editing and know how to avoid a copyright claim, then believe us, it's not difficult for you. You just have to download the clips and compile them using some editing software such as Filmora or Premiere Pro. Make an attractive thumbnail and upload it on YouTube. That's it. Keep on uploading until you meet all the requirements. You can upload as much as you want as far as its original content. If you copied it from someone, then your content will not appear on YouTube. They might remove your content for safety purposes. American Funny Fails and Twister are some YouTube channels making a lot from their content, and the good thing is that their content is always original and unique. Copyright-free music. Who don't like listening to music? 40% videos on YouTube are music related. If you have a good taste in music and can guess what people like to listen, then keep in mind that you can make a lot of money. Just one thing here: upload only those musics that are copyright-free. YouTube Audio Library is a good source of downloading copyright-free music. If you upload only audio, it's still good to go. People listen these music tracks in gym or while they are jogging. It has a good CPM rate too, which means you can get good money and result of good views. Relaxation-free music has a high search volume, so go with that. If you know some technical terms, then it's good for you. There are some websites that offer unlimited copyright or royalty-free music clips, so you can take subscription of those websites and it can save your time. Downloading from other websites might get you a copyright claim. Stock footage content. There are many websites that give royalty-free stock footage that can be used even for commercial purpose. Pexels, Mixkit, and many other websites are examples of this. You should have a microphone. Write a script about the topic you want to cover, record the voiceover, and yes, find the relevant clips from the stock footage sites. It's easy, no copyright claim and no other problems. But finding the relevant clips can be difficult for you. Compiling those clips accordingly and uploading it on YouTube is the last step. Many famous YouTube channels are using this technique to make money. If you don't want to use your own voice for it, we still have a solution for you. Speechelo and Talkia are two paid software that converts any text to speech like a real human sound. Both of these techniques are getting used on YouTube and people are making good revenue. Keep in mind that CPM rate change from niche to niche. Choose the niche that you enjoy working in and get your stuff done. Computer-related tutorials. If you are good in understanding computers and can find solution of different errors, you still have a good space here. Just record the solution of the error from your monitor screen with the help of softwares like OBS and Real Screen Recorders. Upload these recordings on YouTube and get good views. There is no other example that can compete this evergreen content. Your videos are not timely content. These keep on getting views even after a year or two. But make sure you solve the problem in quite easy way. If you get response from your audience, then only few good videos will be enough to get your work done. Consider describing your thoughts on the screen with the help of Notepad. Many YouTubers have created content like this a time ago and they are still getting good views. It means that they are still making good money from that old content. You can show people how to install games, how to download a movie, and how to solve an error. It's like gaming videos but are different in sense of content. Every year YouTube changes its policy of getting monetized, so review that and start working with these ideas if you want to make money without showing your face. Keep in mind that the more ads run on your videos, the more money you generate with your videos. Nowadays people like commentary videos too, so you are not short of ideas, just get your dreams fulfilled. This was it folks, we hope you enjoyed and learned something new from today's video. If you want to hear something from us, comment below about the topic you want covered. Also make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you receive the notification when we upload a new video. Take care and goodbye. Peace.